So now we have our product almost ready. Now what we want to do is actually have our menu ready, which is when you press select size, we want to have a window appear where the user can actually select the size. We want that, and we want to create the on state for that. So let's say they selected the medium, we want it to be shown here. So it's two screens we're going to create. So for that, let's first create the on state. That's pretty easy. So first of all, let's just duplicate one of these screens. Let's zoom out and go to your artboard tool, and let's duplicate this one. Just keep it here in the same column. Over here, and now to this one, we're going to put, actually, instead of select size, we're going to type tool and change the select size to an actual size. So medium. But you still want to give this. You still want to give the option for them to change the size. So we are going to keep this, and we're going to be keeping it as a button. But now we have something selected. So now we have something selected, let's actually create the menu. To create the menu, we are going to create one more artboard, but this artboard is just going to be a window that appears here. So let's create a new one. Let's just duplicate this one. I love duplicating artboards. So we don't have enough space here, so probably just duplicate it on the side, which should be good. So just select artboard tool, drag, and release. Let's zoom in. We're going to almost delete all of this. So get rid of this, get rid of this. We're creating our menu. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of all of this. And let's keep it like this. So let's get rid of this one too. So now we're going to put all our sizes. So we're going to put X small. Don't worry about the line, about deleting right now. So medium, large, and yeah, there's extra large, and let's just keep it an extra large. So we're going to be changing the leading right now. Let's keep it at 72. It looks still too tight, so we're gonna do it. Probably it's going to be around 120. Might be wrong. So yeah, it looks about right. So what I want to do is duplicate this. Press Command D. Just keep duplicating. Actually, we went over. That's all we need. So select all of these, and then just adjust to around there. Yeah, it seems around right. So we're going to put this all the way to the top. We have our sizes. Probably we want to label first. So let's put select size here. But you know what? Let's just use a label that we already have. So let's copy this, zoom out, go back over here, zoom in, Command Shift V. Oops. Press here, and then let's move this down. right there. And this should say select the size. Perfect, we have our menu. But we want to have a back button. What if they see the sizes and they're like, you know what, I actually don't want it. So let's grab this one, Command C. Let's go back to this artboard. Let's press Command Shift V. We have that. Perfect. Let's align it to this. Looks about right. It's just eyeball it. And then let's put it around there. It's perfect. But you know what? Should we make these in the middle? I mean, yeah, I think this should be in the middle. So let's go to paragraph, align to center, and then align to artboard. This align to center of the artboard. Now we have our menu. These are going to be bold instead of regular. Let's go and make them bold. Obviously, this is your call. Whatever you think is better. I think bold looks cleaner. I mean, it looks more clickable. So this height should be the height of the iPhone. So let's go to the artboards. And this should be 1350. Sorry, 1334 by 750. Oops, I made a mistake. What you need to do is actually, it has to be your reference point should be in the top left. That way, it only change. Try not to have 13,034. 13,334. Okay, perfect. So now we have our select size menu. This is going to appear on top of everything. So you press select the size, and then it will appear on top of everything, and you have to select the size or go back, which is perfect. We have this. This looks good. Now let's make. We have our on state. We have our menu. We got it. Now let's actually change this. All of these, because we're duplicating and created this on our artboards panel. So let's go here and product one. Let's actually change this to product one, product two, product three, make this product on. Let's make this product size. Perfect. So we're pretty much finished with our product. So whenever someone clicks on one product that looks like this, we're gonna make it actionable that comes to the flow of this product. Perfect. We got our first product with a menu and an on state. Congratulations. On the next lecture, we're going to go through the search flow. This one. It's going to be pretty easy. This one is going to be fast. So let's do it.